Okay, so instead of building an amplifier, I found microcenter.com is clearing out some old cheapo, not old, just real cheap computer speakers for $2. And I couldn't even build an amplifier for that probably. So I just went and bought that, and it comes with the speaker and volume control and everything. So I've set it up and wired it into my harness, and so I can test the sounds now on the on this Venture Line Breakthrough. So let's see how the sound works. So that didn't sound good. That doesn't sound good. Okay, so bouncing off the wall sounds okay. Hitting the brick, up. Hitting the brick doesn't sound very good, and hitting the paddle isn't right either. The walls sound good though. So it sounds like just one sound is wrong. The multiple points is adding it up, and it's making a sound for each one, but I think that sound is wrong. Now that's going to be one of the 9602s, I think. And I don't have any of those, so I'm going to have to either engineer around it or find some. So there you go. The sound's working, but when it hits the brick or the paddles, it makes a dud noise, a thud, a dead type noise. It's not right. So I will study the schematics and try to figure out what that is. And so it looks like there's one more repair to be made on this board. Here's the picture of those computer speakers that I bought to test the audio on unamplified boards. I've been needing a set of these for a while and got them. This particular set requires a USB power source, so I just plugged in a power block there for USB. And then it has a 3.5-inch jack that you plug into your circuit, and that's what's down here. So works pretty good. It's got a power button if you want to turn it on and off. I'll basically just leave it on, and we got a volume control, and if you want to plug in some headsets or headphones, you can put them there. So that's my solution for amplifying the audio. Works pretty good.